Hey there, fellow drivers. Ever made a turn and heard that heart-stopping clunk sound? Yeah, that one. Today, we're diving deep into why your car might be making that scary noise, and more importantly, how to fix it before it becomes a costly repair. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly what causes this common problem, how to diagnose it yourself, and when you need to get professional help. Trust me, this could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands in repairs. Common causes. Let's break down the usual suspects. 1. CV joints. Think of these as your car's ankles. They help your wheels turn smoothly. When they wear out, that happens. 2. Wheel bearings. These little champions keep your wheels spinning smoothly. When they start failing, it's like trying to roll a square wheel. 3. Suspension components. Ball joints, bushings, strut mounts. They're like your car's joints. And just like our joints, they can get stiff and cranky. Quick pause, gear heads. If you're finding this helpful so far, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I post new car repair tips every week, and trust me, your future self will thank you. DIY diagnosis. Here's how you can play car detective. 1. Listen carefully during turns. Pro tip. Empty parking lots are perfect for this test. 2. Check for wheel play. Grab your wheel at 9 and 3 o'clock. Any movement means trouble. Speaking of maintenance, I use this awesome wheel bearing grease gun in my shop. Check out the link in the description. It's a game changer for prevention. Fix it guide. Let's talk solutions. 1. CV joint repairs. 2. Bearing replacement. 3. Suspension fixes. When to see a mechanic. Look, I'm all for DIY, but sometimes you need a pro. Here are the red flags. Grinding noises, steering wheel shake, severe clunking. Prevention tips. Let's keep that clunk away. Regular inspections, proper lubrication, smooth driving habits. Conclusion. Remember folks, that mysterious clunk might seem scary, but now you know exactly what to look for and what to do about it. Don't forget to grab those maintenance tools I mentioned. Links are in the description. If this video saved you a trip to the mechanic, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Drop a comment below with your car clunk stories. I read every single one. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.